If your car is not starting, it might be a problem of immobilizer. I will show you how to fix this problem very easily in this video. First time when immobilizer was used was in 1994. It became essential for every vehicle. It is security system which defends car from stealing. There is chip in the car key which has unique code. Every car has its unique code. Immobilizer control module or control unit is made for reading this code, send information to the car electronic control unit. Electronic control unit will read this code, and if it match on the programmed data, car will start working. If data don't match, car will not start. If immobilizer control module is damaged, module can't read code, cannot send data to the electronic control unit. In this situation, car will not start working. There is one way to solve this problem easily. Now I will show you my way which helped me, and maybe it will help you too if you have immobilizer problem. For this you will need copper wire like this, diameter 0.3 or 0.5 millimeters, length about 2 meters. Watch me and then repeat what I do. I needed 15 curls of copper wire. Maybe you will need 18 or 20 curls. After this we will assemble everything and try if car starts walking. If car does not start, we need to add curls. If adding curls don't work, this means that we need to find problem elsewhere or Immobilizer control module is fully damaged. I hope this video is useful for you, and if it helps, write in the comments and tell us which car do you have.